Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make emojis with computer keyboard in Windows 10. So what you're going to do is you need a text field to enter. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create just to show you, I'm going to create a file here, and then I will show you how to make use of the emojis on Windows 10. So I'm going to create a text document. Now I'm going to open it. Now you can use this thing anywhere, okay, in the browser, while doing chats, or while typing anything into the Microsoft Word document or PDF file, or wherever. So once you're here, suppose I'm going to type hello. Okay, now I want to enter an emoji. So there is only one shortcut that you need to remember again, that is Windows key plus the full stop button. Okay, Windows key plus dot. So I am going to press Windows key plus full stop or dot from the keyboard, and it will open up the emojis keyboard. Okay, now you can browse from at the bottom. You can see all the options just like you see in WhatsApp or Facebook. Okay, all the emojis are here. So and you can also use the most recently used, and you can also use the search bar to find one. Okay, so I'm going to use one of these here, just like this. And now you can see, depending upon the application, it will show in black and white or maybe colorful, depending upon the application. Maybe you will type in Messenger or something, then it will be colorful. So this is how you can make use of the keyboard. So you need to type, you need to remember the shortcut Win key plus dot. Okay, so this is the shortcut for the emojis keyboard on your computer. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.